like a drum line buggy. I love it when you type it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Mr. Lover. I love it when you do it like I do it like I say. Keep it up.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuela Okon if it's your first time on here. So in today's video we are going to be doing a hair review, a hair tutorial. I know I haven't done a hair review in such a long time, but I got the opportunity of collaborating with a brand called BORUI Virgin Hair. That is what I have here. So this is what the packaging came in, and this is the hair here. So in this video I'm going to be doing a review, like I said, and I'm going to be showing you guys the process and how I was able to achieve like this look and get it the way I wanted. Okay, just keep on watching. Just keep on watching. I'm going to be sharing all the deets, all the information on this hair. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is BORUI Virgin Hair. This is a lace frontal. Yes, I know I do not do lace frontals, but I just wanted to give this one a try. And of course this one I did not do it by myself. I had to ask for help because your girl does not know how to do a lace frontal. Like, I've been so lazy to like learn, but oh well, I had to ask for help. And for this hair, YJ Wigs is the person who installed my hair. Her name is Yemi and the name of her company is YJ Wigs, and she helped me install this. And I'm going to be showing you guys the clip of the hair installation process right now. So guys, here is the wig. This is how it came right from the pack. As you can see, it comes with like a mesh layer underneath, but Yemi took this out while she was getting the wig customized. So she's just putting the hair on the wig stand and she's just about to bleach the hair. The hair says that it came bleached, but like I don't think it did. So she's just going in with a bleach, like your regular bleach that you get from a beauty supply store. I'll leave the details on the screen or in the description box of like the exact bleach and developer that she used. So she's just putting the bleach on like the corners of like the lace. So she suggests that you do not like put it like in the areas where it would be too obvious that the hair looks bleached. So she's just going in with it like all over like where the lace frontal is, so which is like where my scalp will be. So cause like where you're bleaching is supposed to look like an actual like scalp, like and it has to go with like how your face looks like, so that it looks natural. Okay, now we're on to the wig installation process. So Yemi is just using a tinting spray to like tint the hair so that it actually matches my skin tone. So I already put like a photo of how the tinting spray looks. I'm going to leave it in the description box so you guys can see. So here she's just using alcohol to like clean like my edges out so that it's easier to like lay the hair. This is just like a method that you usually have to do before like you install your lace frontal. So as you can see, she is just trying to, what will I call this? You guys, this is my first time doing a lace frontal what do you call it, talk through, I believe. Yes, so she's just like cutting out the excess lace frontal, no, baby hairs at the front, because I guess my hairline and the hairline of the wig does not like correspond with each other. So she is just like cutting it out, the excess one, so that it fits my head. So now you can see it fits my scalp. So she is just taking some more out. I think she had to like really like make sure like my hair and the wig are like correlating with each other, and now she's just plucking it. Plucking. Okay, so after all the plucking is done, she just goes in with the got to be glue. I believe it's the yellow one, and she applies it to my edges all around. And after she's done applying that, she goes in with the fizz spray, the got to be glue one, the yellow one, and she's just spraying it so that it holds well, so that the hair like lays properly. And now she's going in with a hair dryer to like make it tacky so it's easier to apply. And she's just doing the same thing she did before again, just to make sure like it's very, very tacky so that the wig holds properly.
Like a drum nine buggy. I love it when you dive it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Miss Lover. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all day. Keep my heart on my Miss Entropy. Never find nobody that would do it this way. Hold me down, beat it like a bully. Keep my drum like a drum nine buggy. I love it when you dive it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Miss Lover. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all day. Keep my heart on my Miss Entropy. Never find nobody that would do it this way.
Okay guys, so now it's time for my edges. So we are using the argan oil edge control for my baby hairs. So as you can see, she's using like an edge toothbrush to like lay the edges. This is like the hardest part. Like I do not know how to do this myself, and like I'm determined that I'm going to learn how to like lay a lace frontal. Guys, it's almost 2020 and I can't do it. But anyways, Yemi is just laying it, and she's going to the other side of my hair to like cut the lace so that she can also lay the other side. So like when someone else is like doing your hair for you, like they always do it in sections, but if you're doing it yourself, you might have already like cut out all the lace. But she did, like Yemi did her own like in sections, so that she knows that, oh, she's done with one side and she'll only need to focus on one side. So now we're done with the hair, but all that's left is for us to like curl the hair. But before curling, she is just going to like do a center parting for me, because that's what I want. I just really like doing like center like partings because I feel like it suits my face, so I just go with that. And she's just using an iron comb to like lay it. So guys, that was the hair installation process. Yes, the hair did not come bleached, because in the description of the hair it says it is bleached, but I did not see anything like that like when I first got the hair. Guys, I just finished climbing the stairs, that's why I sound this way. Every time I'm recording, I'm always getting interrupted. Anyways, what was I saying? So I was saying in the description of this item, it did not say, what was it called? It did say that it was going to be like bleached, but the knots weren't bleached. It was actually Yemi who bleached the hair and everything, like the what's it called, the lace, because this is a wig, so it already came like as a wig. I didn't need to like turn it to a wig or anything, so it already came like that, which was perfect, but it wasn't bleached. So I'm just going to go over the description of this hair. So it says it's virgin human hair lace wig, from what's it called, from the texture, and as from what you can see, it's actually good hair. Like, it's good hair. It's very soft, which is good, and it's a natural black color, so it doesn't have, like, from what I've seen, because I actually literally just did the hair today, so this is like fresh. I haven't seen any like highlights. You know, like when you buy some hair, you see like highlights, like maybe like wine. The only thing I've seen is probably like a white strand somewhere here, but apart from that, I haven't seen any like strands or anything. So it is loose wave hair. So I got Yemi, owner of YJ Wigs, to help me curl this, which she used the small curling one, like curling stuff, iron and stuff, to come up with this unique curls, you know, because I wanted to try something different. And oh, before I forget, the length of the hair is actually 24. Like, guys, when they sent me this, I looked at it and I was like, how is this 24? But I realized, like, when the hair is straight, because Yemi showed me how the hair looks like straight and wet, it's actually long. But I think it's because since I curled the hair, it's looking short. So like, let me just get one strand. So this is one strand, and it actually drops down here. Like, it's not bad, but like, I thought 24 was going to be like really long, but this one wasn't that long. So it's kind of like okay. I was like, how would like 10 inches look if 24 inches looks like this? But it's actually not bad. I actually like how it looks short, because I've never had this type of wig where it's like a lace frontal and I have like loose wave curls and it's short and it's not even full. But I don't know how to feel about that, because this is 180% density, but it's not full. Like, I don't feel like it's full, but at the same time I like the fact that it's not too full, because it's like a bit thin, but I still like it that way. But I also feel like it should be full, because people really like full hair. Like, it's not nice if the hair like looks scanty and stuff like that. But oh well, oh well. So what else should I say about this hair? The lace is a medium brown color, so I'm not sure what Yemi used to like bleach the top part, but I'm going to like leave it in, I'll leave it in the description box, or I'll leave it on the screen for you guys to see. Also, there are also baby hairs. We tried to do the baby hairs, you know, but yeah, there are also baby hairs like here. Yeah, and I decided to do like a middle part here. I think it's a 3-part wig. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's actually a 3-part wig, so you can like put it to any style you want. But I wanted like the hair to be like center parting, because like that's my favorite look to do. And yeah, so far out of 10, I'll give this hair a 7. 7 because the hair length for 24 inches, I don't see why it should be like this. And the fact that it's 180% density, it's not full, it's thin. So I don't know how I am feeling that. But it's not bad that it feels this way. I'll show you guys how it looks. Yeah, so yeah, I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. It's not bad hair, don't get me wrong. The hair quality is very good. It's just that it's not full. But I'll strongly recommend this brand because the quality is good. I haven't experienced shedding yet. Even when Yemi like bleached the what's it called, the frontal, there was no shedding. It's soft. I just feel like it should be fuller. Well, I am going to be updating you guys like through my Instagram probably. I don't know if I'm going to make another like updated video of this hair, but but so far I am loving the hair. I actually can't wait to take photos. I haven't taken any photo yet with the hair. Yeah, I really like the hair though. It really gives me a different look from what I've seen. Oh, I even forgot to mention the hair. Let me just put this in the packaging. The hair came with a manual, like a manual thing, and they also gave me what's it called, baby pins, or like fashionable pins, not baby pin. Okay, baby pin, because this has baby written on it and happy, which is really cute. And the hair comes wrapped in this as well, as you may have seen. I already showed you guys, but I just wanted to go over it again so you guys know. And yeah, it comes in this lovely purple bag, which is my favorite color. Yeah, so BORUI virgin hair. I'll leave all the information about this hair in the description box of the video. If you have any more questions about my hair, you can leave all your questions in the comment section below if I did not get to all the information I needed to say, but I believe I've said everything about this hair. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I love you guys so much, and thank you for supporting me even though I'm not consistently like posting videos. I really appreciate it. I am more active on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It should be somewhere here. I always leave it like over here at the top of all my videos so you guys know that that's my Instagram, and I always leave that at the end of my video so you guys can see. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, okay? And yeah, so this is it for this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Comment anything. You can comment anything in the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions about this hair. Let me know any suggestions you have for me, like in creating content. What else? Share this video for anyone that might be looking to purchase new hair. If you're just looking for a new store, you could purchase hair that is affordable and that has a lot of like sales going on. You can follow BORUI Hair. I just want to thank them rather for like sponsoring this video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Like a drum, nine buggy. I love it when you dive it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Mississauga. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all day. Keep my heart on my Central Pay. Never find nobody that will do it this way.